Hey there, fellow travelers. Today, we're taking a virtual trip to the stunning Caribbean island of St. Maarten, where we'll be exploring the Divi Little Bay Beach Resort. This laid-back, family-friendly oasis is nestled on a private peninsula between two picturesque bays, offering guests a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. So grab your imaginary sunscreen, and let's dive into what makes this resort a hidden gem in the Caribbean. Let's start by checking out the accommodations at Divi Little Bay. The resort offers a variety of room types to suit different needs and budgets. The standard rooms are a great starting point, featuring modern decor and essential amenities like TVs and mini fridges. But if you're looking to upgrade your stay, the Oceans rooms are where it's at. These upper-tier accommodations come with private balconies or patios, offering breathtaking views of the ocean or bay. Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves and stepping out onto your balcony to witness a Caribbean sunrise. Now that's what vacation dreams are made of. The Oceans rooms also pamper guests with luxurious touches like slippers, robes, and upgraded bathroom accessories. For families or groups wanting more space, the resort suites are an excellent choice. These townhouse-style accommodations are situated right by the bay and feature kitchenettes and living areas, perfect for those who want a home-away-from-home experience. While the resort doesn't provide exact room sizes, guests consistently praise the spaciousness and comfort of the accommodations. One thing to note is that the resort underwent a major renovation in 2018, so you can expect fresh, updated interiors throughout. Whether you're a couple seeking a romantic getaway or a family looking for a fun-filled vacation, Divi Little Bay has a room type to match your needs. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any vacation: food. Divi Little Bay doesn't disappoint when it comes to dining options. While the resort's website doesn't provide an exhaustive list of all restaurants, we do know about a few standout options. First up is Gizmo's Grill, a casual poolside eatery that's perfect for those lazy vacation days when you don't want to stray too far from your lounge chair. Here, you can chow down on American and Caribbean classics like burgers, sandwiches, and salads. It's open for lunch, making it an ideal spot to refuel between swimming sessions. For a unique dining experience, head over to the Fort Amsterdam Cafe. This relaxed cafe is situated near a historic fort, adding a touch of cultural flavor to your meal. It's a great spot for light meals and snacks, perfect for a quick bite between adventures. But wait, there's more. The resort boasts additional restaurants that offer both al fresco dining with ocean breezes and air-conditioned comfort. These unnamed eateries serve up a delicious fusion of international and Caribbean cuisine, with a particular emphasis on fresh seafood dishes. Imagine savoring grilled mahi-mahi or coconut shrimp while watching the sun set over the Caribbean. Sounds pretty heavenly, right? And let's not forget about the drinks. The resort features several bars scattered throughout the property, where you can sip on tropical cocktails and local libations. While there's no formal dress code mentioned, it's always a good idea to pack a few nicer outfits for evening meals. As for reservations, they're likely not required except for special events, but it's always worth checking with the front desk if you have your heart set on a particular restaurant or time. After all that eating and drinking, you might be ready for some relaxation or activity. And Divi Little Bay has you covered on both fronts. The resort boasts 3 main pools, each with its own unique vibe. The Seabreeze Pool is where the action's at. It's lively and perfect for those who want to socialize and have fun. If you're looking for a more tranquil experience, head to the Casita Pool. This quiet oasis is ideal for reading a book or simply soaking up the sun in peace. And for the ultimate in relaxation, there's the Infinity Pool. Picture yourself floating in crystal clear water that seems to merge with the Caribbean Sea beyond. Talk about Instagram worthy. While the resort doesn't specify the exact sizes or depths of these pools, guests consistently rave about their cleanliness and the ample space for swimming and lounging. The pools are open year-round during daylight hours, so you can take a dip whenever the mood strikes. And let's not forget about the beach. Divi Little Bay is situated on a beautiful stretch of sand, where you can spend your days sunbathing, building sandcastles, or taking refreshing dips in the Caribbean Sea. The resort provides loungers and umbrellas, so you can set up your own little slice of paradise right on the beach. While the resort doesn't explicitly mention water sports, many Caribbean resorts offer activities like snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding, so it's worth inquiring at the front desk about available options. For those who like to stay active on vacation, Divi Little Bay offers a range of recreational activities to keep you entertained. While the resort's website doesn't provide extensive details, it's safe to assume that standard amenities like a fitness center are available. Many Caribbean resorts also offer tennis courts, so don't forget to pack your racket if you're a fan of the sport. If you're more interested in relaxation than exertion, the resort likely offers spa treatments to help you unwind. While specific details aren't provided, you can probably expect a range of massages, facials, and body treatments designed to melt away your stress and leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. For those seeking a more holistic approach to wellness, keep an eye out for yoga classes or other fitness programs that might be offered. And let's not forget about cultural activities. Many resorts in the Caribbean offer opportunities to learn about local customs, try traditional crafts, or even take language classes. While Divi Little Bay doesn't explicitly list these options, it's always worth asking at the front desk about any special programs or activities that might be available during your stay. Traveling with little ones? Divi Little Bay has got you covered. While the resort doesn't provide extensive details about its kids' facilities, it's clear that this is a family-friendly destination. Many resorts in this category offer kids' clubs with supervised activities, giving parents a chance to enjoy some alone time while the children have fun and make new friends. These clubs often feature a mix of indoor and outdoor activities, from arts and crafts to beach games and swimming lessons. Some resorts even offer special evening programs for kids, allowing parents to enjoy a romantic dinner while the little ones are entertained. In terms of family-friendly amenities, you can likely expect child-sized furniture in the restaurants, high chairs, and possibly even babysitting services for an additional fee. The resort's multiple pools are great for family fun, with a lively sea breeze pool likely being a hit with kids of all ages. And of course, the beach provides endless opportunities for family activities, from building sandcastles to searching for seashells or taking a family swim in the calm Caribbean waters. While Divi Little Bay might not have elaborate water parks or extensive playground equipment, its laid-back atmosphere and beautiful natural surroundings provide the perfect backdrop for quality family time and creating lasting memories. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.